Our planet has survived 5 mass extinctions, and this superhero has made it through. And surprisingly, it's a 1 mm sized microscopic aquatic animal called water bears, which resembles the bear's stout body and slow motion walking style, which is why they're also called as slow steppers and are popularly known as tardigrades. Tardigrades were first discovered by J.E. Goes in 1773. Researchers believe that tardigrades have been around on Earth for over 600 million years. Such an ancient creature is definitely worthy of some respect. They belong to a high-level scientific category of animals called phylum, and the main sources of food are bacteria, algae, fungi, rotifers, and other tardigrades. These water bears have slightly arched, plump bodies with a scrunched-up head and 4 pairs of stubby legs bearing claws. Well, you will be surprised to know that these water bears can survive without food or water for decades. Tardigrades are mostly active in semi-aquatic or moist environments. But then, when environmental conditions become unfavorable, that is during extreme temperature or dryness, the tardigrades, in order to survive, undergo a transformation. They do this by squeezing all the water out of their bodies. Then they tuck in their heads and legs and roll up into a ball called tongue and become dormant. This death-like state is called cryptobiosis, in which metabolic activity is either slowed or halted. Tardigrades can exist in this state for decades. When conditions improve, tardigrades unroll themselves into their normal form and get going. Well, that's not it. Researchers have found that these fascinating creatures can survive environments as cold as minus 328 degrees Fahrenheit, that's minus 200 degrees Celsius, or higher temperature of over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 148.9 degrees Celsius. They can even withstand extreme pressures ranging from the vacuum of space to the pressures 6 times higher found in the ocean's deepest trenches. The phylum Tardigrades is comprised of over 1,200 species worldwide. In a review study conducted by Zoological Survey of India, 41 species of tardigrades have been recorded from India, among which 23 species have been found in the Indian Himalayas. The first studies of Indian tardigrades were conducted in 1907 by James Murray, a biologist. In his work, Murray has described about 14 species of tardigrades found in the moss samples from the Sikkim Himalayas. In 1970, a general marine faunistic survey of the Odisha coast was undertaken by Zoological Survey of India, in which Chandrashekara Rao describes about the occurrence of 2 species of marine tardigrades from the east coast of India. Later in 1980, Rao also identified and enlisted 3 tardigrade species from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In 2015, the European Journal of Taxonomy in its report has mentioned the discovery of another new species of tardigrades from a moss sample collected at Mussoorie. From the past few decades, numerous research and surveys have been conducted, yet a lot is unknown about these fascinating creatures.